Concerns continue on the waters. I'm Meteorologist Joe Martucci. We have a coastal flood advisory in effect for Atlantic and Cape May counties from 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. And this is to cover the evening high tide. Now we're expecting up to 1 foot of saltwater inundation, and that means that first block or two of bayside roadways will have water on them in the susceptible areas. We're not expecting any flooding from the ocean side with this, but we are expecting minor stage flooding through Friday as we have the new moon approaching. We go into our winds and temperatures, and this paints the story why we have the coastal flooding. We have a northeasterly flow that's been with us for 4 days now, and we have a stationary front just sitting offshore, and actually behind this is some moisture from Erin. Now, that's why we're seeing the rain in Ocean County. To our west, though, you notice these warmer temperatures, warmer colors here in the reds, partly sunny out for our friends west of Vineland to Hamilton, and then getting over to Philadelphia. But if you are along the shore, putting a cloud cover again for today. We go forward in time with our future radar. This is actually happening. A couple of showers in Atlantic and Ocean County. Meanwhile, cold front's going to knock all this out. Is in Pennsylvania and moves eastward with time. We take you to 8 p.m. here, and that's when I think we're going to start to see some rain from the cold front, just getting into Cumberland County around 7 p.m. or so. Shore still could see a couple of showers in Atlantic and Ocean. I think Cape May County is going to win out here with the Cape May bubble looking dry from both the cold front and from the showers that are moving to the north of the county. Then we go to 2 a.m. That cold front's going to come on through, and then by 2 a.m. we are drying out here, and we should actually see a partly sunny sky come Thursday morning. Looking at the tropics, we're going to round out here with what's happening in the Atlantic. We have Erin, tropical storm, 70-mile-an-hour winds, going to go into a hurricane once it gets past Puerto Rico as well as Hispaniola. We take a look at the National Hurricane Center track. Makes a turn to the northwest and then goes further west here somewhere into Florida or Georgia. We're not going to know for sure what the track's going to be until tomorrow afternoon. It needs to get past the islands here before we can get a track. There has been some shift northward. We're still not expecting any impacts here with New Jersey. Maybe we get some remnants as we go into next week. Meanwhile, we have a low pressure system associated with Erin. Now, I want to point out something here. Notice we have two swirls. We have this low level swirl to the north and then a upper level swirl to the south. That means this storm is not really doing all that great. It's a tropical depression, 35-mile-an-hour winds. Let me show you what the National Hurricane Center has. A little tough to see, but we got New Jersey here. Pretty much what it's going to do is take a straight shot to the north and east and become a post-tropical cyclone as it goes into eastern Canada. For us here today, Ocean County, rain showers, temperature 70 to 75, not a good beach day. Atlantic County, it's a nice day in the western portion of the county. Nose Buna 83, but still some showers around for the eastern portions of the county. We go to Cape May, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures warmer, not a bad beach day in Cape May County, especially the further south you are. And if you like the sunshine and warm temperatures, you want to go to Cumberland. Temperature seasonable with just a spotty shower or two around. Now here's your summer planner. Now it's going to depend on where you are. So if you are in western Cumberland or Atlantic, most of this is green. However, for a large portion of the area, the long and short of it is if you need a full afternoon of dry time, you're not going to have it here. Along the shore, it's just going to be too cold. Otherwise, for anything that's relatively short, you are looking good outside. For tonight, some showers around now. It's going to be everywhere, but mainly to the north and west after 10 p.m. after we lose that coastal rain here. Ends between 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. and then we're clearing out. Should be partly cloudy for the rest of the night. Low temperature seasonable, 65 to 70. We go into Thursday, a beautiful day here. Low humidity. We see plenty of sunshine here throughout the day. Temperature seasonable, no sea breeze, so it's going to be warm even at the shore. We're going to our 7-day forecast. Friday is going to be the warmest day. We have southwesterly winds here, northeasterly winds for Saturday and Sunday, but it's not going to bring any rain, just some cooler temperatures, which by this time of year is seasonable. Then we go into Monday and Tuesday, expecting some showers and storms as high pressure loses its grip. Going to go for a B to B plus weekend still in the area, leaning more towards a B plus now, but we will see what happens as we go forward in time. Short temperatures looking nice for your Labor Day weekend. We're talking all about hurricane awareness for Awareness August with our On the Road, and that will be today in Ventnor, 6:30 p.m. Looking forward to seeing all of you there. We have a panel discussion with other South Jersey experts. And for the latest in South Jersey weather, social media, as well as our website, thepressofac.com/weather.